We all have a great need for acceptance. But you must trust that your beliefs are unique, your own, even though others may think them odd or unpopular, even though the herd may go, that's bad. Robert Frost said, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by.
Stop thinking about what I want, what he wants, what your parents want. What do you want?
You know what that means? Means know thyself.
I think careers are a 20th century invention, and I don't want one.
I am warning you, Dufresne. Turn that off!
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
It's the right path. It's a path made of principle that leads to character. And that, my friends, is called integrity.
Don't give yourselves to brutes, men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts.
Just be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself.
You know what makes you special? You're a dreamer, Marty. Always have been.